Hello, welcome back to week number 5. Fiber gifts. You know this. This is the thing that we've been doing for a while, so we'll just see what I have. It's actually very cool. I'm very excited about it. So, ta-da! Let me take the things away. This is the top. It doesn't really matter at the moment, but this is the Turtle Loom. And this thing is really cool. This is a pin loom. So for those of you who are familiar with the Zoom loom, kind of similar concept, not the same though. But you'll needle weave across or use a crochet hook, which will come with it. But yeah, these guys are really neat. I'm actually really stoked for this. So they make hexagons, obviously. This is a 4-inch hexagon here. The best yarn that's going to be good for this is going to be a worsted weight. For the project that I have that we've done with it, we have used Sistari, and I'll show you that here in just a second. That's something that we carry, but any worsted weight yarn will work perfectly fine. It'll come with a little comb, it'll come with a needle as well, and then you'll be ready to go. So this is a Birch Plywood. It's really lovely Baltic birch plywood. It's really cute. It has all this burned in stuff in the back, has a turtle on it. So it's just painfully adorable. Let me show you what we have though, and let me tell you also that they are going on sale on the 13th of November for a week, just as usual. But this is so cute. So this is multiple hexagons, I don't know if you can tell. But this is what they're calling an elf basket, which is just so very cute. But we will actually have a video tutorial on how to do this little guy from the guys that make the loom, which is really nice. So check that out in the description of this video so you can make this cute little thing. And this is the yarn that we used to make this one. Well, actually they made it for us, but this is the Sistari merino yarn, worsted. Anything will work though. It was just awfully nice to have something really lovely that will work for it here in the shop. So that's what we had it made out of. Let me show you this little guy again because he's so cute. He stands up by himself. It's just adorable. I just love it. So yeah, check that out the week of the 13th.